Ready to hear the wildest hiccup story ever? Meet Charles Osborne, the man with the world's longest case of hiccups. It all started in 1922 when he was trying to weigh a hog. One hiccup turned into a never-ending saga that lasted until 1990. That's 68 years of hic. Doctors were baffled. Remedies? He tried them all. From drinking water upside down to holding his breath, but nothing worked. Yet Charles never let it hold him back. He lived a full life and even became a minor celebrity. So next time you have the hiccups, just remember Charles Osborne. It could always be worse. And hey, at least you don't have to weigh any hogs, right? Hit that like button if you're glad your hiccups don't last 68 years. Subscribe for more crazy